Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the simplest buzz cut you can do on your own when you're short on time. This is a haircut that I usually do myself when I'm short of time and I'm looking a little scruffy here. I simply go with a number 1 or 2 guard and I just go all over. So the only 3 things I'm going to be using for this haircut are, aside of the mirror, is my clippers with a number 1 guard and a brush. This is actually a great thing that I've recently added to my arsenal of barber stuff. And it's great because it helps you brush your hair and look a lot more detailed what you're missing, right? So it's really helpful to get one of this. It's like $1 to $5 on Amazon, so it's a great purchase for me. This is a very powerful pair of clippers. It's a 2035. It's not very good for fading, but for debulking your hair is awesome, right? So I like to use this one when I'm cutting the top of my hair all the time. Without further ado, I like to go with the lever closed and just number 1 all over. And that's it for the haircut. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and like this video. And if this video gets to like 100 likes, I will do a no guard buzz cut. So without further ado, let's get started with the haircut. So basically you just have to go all over your hair with the same guard, so it's as easy as possible, and it's a very clean haircut, to be honest. Make sure you use your other hand to like move your ear down. This is a great haircut when you don't know how to fade your hair, or you don't have a lot of time to fade your hair, or you simply don't want to fade your hair. It looks great. And honestly, for me personally, when you cut, when you have like an all over buzz cut, this is called an all over buzz cut, and basically you just put a guard on it and go all over your hair. Personally, I think that if you go above number 2, like let's say a number 3 or 4, all over, the sides are gonna look a little bit weird, so you're going to have to fade it. But when you do not want to fade, go for a 1 or 2, and it's gonna look clean all over, and it's gonna be great. Now I can see a lot of hair that's left over, so you just brush down so you can see more clearly what you need to sort of do. There you go. Just go upwards on the back. Try to always go against the grain. That's actually the key of this haircut. So that's how I go. So the bottom of the hair, I use my left hand because it goes on on that direction, so I have to go this way so it looks even, right? That's key. You can do this by looking at the mirror or simply by feeling it. You feel your hair here, like it grows a little longer, so you go against the grain there, and that simply takes all the hair off. Right? Now on this side is the same thing for me. My hair grows on this way, right? So I have to go against the grain on the side of my neck hair, basically. And then I go back. As you guys can see, I go over and over and over to make sure no hairs are left, right? And although I don't have a lot of time, I try to like save 20 to 30 minutes to do this haircut, and then I go in the shower. When I do a fade myself, I take about 45 minutes. When I do this haircut, I take half of the time, 20, 25 minutes sometimes. I'm probably gonna take a little longer because I'm doing this video, but yeah, it takes me about 20, 25 minutes, but it saves me the trip to the barber, it saves me money, and then I can just simply take a shower and go, right? So it's if you can have like an extra 20, 25 minutes to do the haircut, it's definitely gonna save you a lot of time and money. On the crown here, the hair actually grows in a lot of directions. So after the haircut, you're probably not going to be super exact with it, but try to go against every direction that you can on the crown so you can get it as even as possible. See, I go all the way, it's almost 360. Although I said before that you can do this haircut by feel, I highly recommend you guys to get a mirror, especially a three-way mirror, so you can use it to look at all the sides of your hair. It's a great product that I got, and I don't regret it at all. I see some people that do not like to use it; they have their own mirror setup, but for me, this works just fine, especially because of the fact that I can utilize it inside my shower, and it makes cleaning up so much easier, right? But if you do not have it, I still recommend you guys use a mirror. And if you want to look at the back of your hair, you can always use a handheld mirror and sort of like go like this, and you can actually see the back of your hair. Okay? I'm almost done. I usually already, with a trimmer or a razor, I go and mark a nice shape in there. I do it every couple weeks, so it always looks clean, so I don't really need to like do it on my haircuts. That's a little bit of a benefit that I have when I do it often, right? So you're probably gonna have to do it. Get someone to help you do that, and if you don't mind, you can always go with your clipper and simply trim it, and it's gonna look natural, which is gonna look good. And I don't think it's a problem, especially when your hair is so short. So take that into account. Need to go here. My little speaker's funny. Go. Now I try to feel if there's any. It's pretty even. Before I finish the haircut, I like to go with my beard trimmer, which is a lot more precise, and I go around my ear, so it just looks a little bit cleaner. Keep your brush at all times. Brush on the direction of the growth, so you can see the leftover hair is much easier. And you simply go around there. I grow hair here, so sometimes I just trim it with a trimmer, much easier. When I'm going with my clipper, it doesn't get there, so it's for me. This step for me, it's important. For a lot of people, they do not have. They have like a gap. There's no hair around here, so it's much easier for them to like have their ears pretty shaped up. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna go in the shower and I'll show you the final result after the shower. Alright guys, that's the haircut as you guys can see. I also shaved my beard too, so you guys can see a complete transformation, and now I'm ready to go. So if you guys like this type of videos, like any other Buzzcut type of videos, please comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.